Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching me on my channel for the first time, then do subscribe and press the notification bell there so that you keep getting my videos notifications. So as you guys know, today in the video I am going to give a honest and brutal review about the app called the Smitten app. Before getting into the video, if you guys don't know about Smitten app, then I am here to tell you. Actually, Smitten is the largest online platform of India where you can try or discover some luxurious brands. So after downloading the app from Play Store, you'll be told to sign up with your own phone number. After that, you'll be directed to the home page of the app. Then on the upper left corner you can see there's an option of 6 trial points. There are various type of brands with different trial points according to its value, like Mamaearth, Plum, Maybelline and many different others. After adding 6 trial products in the cart, you can also choose your free gift among them. And at last but not the least, you have to give a delivery charge of ₹199. And after proceeding, you can either credit the balance in your Smitten wallet or can credit it to the trial points which you can use in future. So the first and foremost question that comes into your mind after hearing about the app is about its authenticity. Or is it safe to use the products? The trial products is genuine or not? So I have used the products for 2 months and after that I am giving you people a review. So about its authenticity and about the fakeness of the products are genuine guys. I have used it. But I will suggest you guys to don't go for those brands which you don't know about. Like, go for those brands which you know about. Mamaearth, Biotique, VLCC are the perfect examples. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product is Mamaearth Upton Face Mask for Skin Brightening. So its net content is 25 gram. You can see कितना छोटू सा है ये. Actually ऐसा दिखता है ये, देख लीजिए. And it is for 1 trial point. I mean, you are going to waste 1 trial point if you are going to buy this. And it contains saffron and turmeric and apricot oil. It's anti-aging, lightens and brightens skin and made with natural ingredients. As you guys know that Mamaearth products are really safe and it's also paraben and silicone free. So every skin type can use this. For the natural ingredients, the color might change, but the product's authenticity will never change guys. So मैं इस product को 1 month से use कर रही हूँ and I must say it doesn't make wonders to your skin. But yes, it is good and nice for your skin and it doesn't have any side effects because it is made of natural ingredients. So you can definitely try it for 1 trial point. Next product is also from Mamaearth. It is a vitamin C sleeping mask for skin illumination. It says it is with vitamin C and aloe vera. So after washing your face, you need to apply this on your face and you need to leave it for the whole night and then you can see the effects. But I need to say you guys, I have not seen any effects of it. I mean, the question is, do you need this? The answer is a big no. At least a big no from my side, because I think this type of products are meant for the women who are 30 above. I don't know if I am talking about any myths or not, but it's my belief. And let us see the consistency. The consistency is really good. I mean, it's watery like. It's a gel type sleeping mask, but it is not a need of the hour. I mean, मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि ये हम लोग को चाहिए ही स्किन केयर रूटीन में ऐड करने के लिए. I don't think so. But it doesn't have any side effects. If you want to, you can use. Its net weight is 15 gram and it also comes for 1 trial point. And you can trust Mamaearth. So the next product is from Plum alcohol free green tea toner. So first let us see what it claims. It claims it is alcohol free toner with organic antioxidant green tea for a fresh feeling, minus the dryness, redness that alcohol can bring about. So I think it does what it says. I mean, I have been using it for the 2 months एंड मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये मुंह में लगाने के बाद ना एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा फ्रेश सा फीलिंग आता है. इट सूदिस द स्किन सो मच एंड कोई ड्राइनेस या रेडनेस नहीं होता है. ऑल्दो ड्राइनेस होने की कोई बात नहीं है क्योंकि आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, बट आई थिंक ड्राई स्किन वाले भी ये यूज कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली दिस प्रोडक्ट इज मेंट फॉर पिंपल प्रोन स्किन, सो the oily skin, sensitive skin types can also use this product. This is really a nice product from Plum. Thumbs up. And I think ट्रायल करने के बाद अगर ये खत्म हो गया तो मैं बड़ा वाला खरीदने का सोच सकती हूँ. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम जस्ट हर्ब्स. मैंने इस ब्रांड के बारे में पहले नहीं सुना था. ये स्मिटन में था और बहुत ज्यादा हाइप भी था स्मिटन का, तो मैंने खरीदा है. You can see this छोटू सा मसाज जेल प्रोडक्ट. First let me show you the consistency. It is also a gel and watery type consistency. It has no color in it. You can see it is colorless and that's what is good for it. I have only used it for one time because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई हूँ नया प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने के लिए. I have used it on my mom's face and I think it's a nice product. I mean side effects तो मुझे दिखा नहीं है अभी तक and it comes for one trial point, so I think it's good. It's not that bad. You can try it, but again if you want to then only. Don't listen to me and then try it because my skin and your skin are not same. So the next product is from Plum and आप लोग देख सकते हो कि मैंने and मम्मी ने पूरा ऑलमोस्ट ये खत्म होने ही वाला है. सो मैं बड़ा खरीदने का सोच भी रही हूँ एंड इट इज द प्लम sheer matte day cream. It contains 50 SPF in it. Like it works like wonders. ऑयली स्किन वालों के लिए ना पाउडरी क्रीम और जेल लाइक क्रीम, डे क्रीम बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम प्लम. इट इज अ sheer matte day cream and you can see कि हम लोग ने इसको कितना ज़्यादा ख़त्म कर दिया था. इट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर one ट्रायल पॉइंट एंड ये हम लोग को इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा कि पूरा ख़त्म ही कर दिया है, बस और थोड़ा सा बाकी है. एंड इट कंटेन्स SPF 50 इन इट. आई थिंक इट वर्क्स लाइक वंडर्स टू योर स्किन. लाइक सी द कंसिस्टेंसी, sheer matte. It is very good sunscreen for your oily skin. Like there are certain kinds of sunscreen which oily skin types are really allergic to, like the Neutrogena one. I don't like it. I don't know why it is that much hyped. I don't like the Neutrogena one, but I really want to give it a thumbs up because I really like this Plum sunscreen a much. The next product is also from Just Herbs and it is a honey exfoliating gel for face. But I don't think it is for face. I mean, almost I have finished it and I think the particles are really harsh for face. You can use it on your body, but I don't recommend you to use it on your face or to buy it. I mean, biotic face scrubs are even better than this. And it is also for one trial point. If you want you can try it definitely, but I will not recommend you. So guys, at last गलती के बारे में बात कर ही लेते हैं क्योंकि गलती जब कर ली थी तो बात क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं ना. तो मैंने ये 2 प्रोडक्ट लिया था. कैसे 6 ट्रायल पॉइंट्स तो मेरे कंप्लीट हो गए थे, बट बैग अवेलेबल नहीं था इसलिए वो लोग प्रोडक्ट्स दिखा रहे हैं. तो मुझे लगा कि बैग लेकर क्या करेंगे, 2 प्रोडक्ट्स ही ले लेती हूँ. This is from Sheer Secrets. This are toning mist. One is this natural toning mist, and the other one is Tranquility facial mist. Like मुझे toning mist बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Also, it claimed that it is alcohol free, but मैंने जब इसको अपने हाथ में अपने फेस में लगाया रेड हो गया था मेरा पूरा फेस. आई मीन आई एम ऑयली स्किन टाइप बट मेरा पूरा फेस वॉज ड्राई, इट वॉज ईचिंग, इट वॉज रेड एंड 2 दिन में पिंपल आ गए थे मेरे को. like it is a big no for me. I will recommend you guys, please don't go for the products that you don't know about. Go for the good brand, the good products. मेरे जैसा गलती मत करना, ये सब products मत लेना. I don't know, I'm spellbound at this time. I'm so angry that ये 2 product पूरा wastage है. मैंने अभी तक यूज नहीं किया, बस रखी हूँ आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए. ये मम्मी का मेरा किसी के फेस में सूट नहीं किया. अगेन आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट बिकॉज ये मेरे फेस में सूट नहीं हुआ इसलिए आपके फेस में भी नहीं होगा, हो सकता है, बट इट इज अ बिग नो फॉर मी नाउ. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it, and if you really liked it, then please do comment all of your opinions in the comment section, and do press the notification bell so that you keep getting all my videos notification. So that's it for today guys. I love you. Tara.